Hello folks. Now before we get started with my review on the subtle art of unlearning, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is an opportunity for you folks, and it is massive. I suggest you click that first link in the description below and you will not be sorry. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus is all about affiliate marketing business, and it shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates, and includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic. I suggest you grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And bonus number 3 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr and then sell it at a much higher price to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. And bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income, and this is a crucial thing, folks. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 shows you how to earn up to $186 a day while spending perhaps 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, a high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to the review. In a nutshell, the subtle art of unlearning teaches you how to let go of the past to advance in life. It's a total PLR package that shows you how to free yourself from outdated habits and beliefs, those habits and beliefs that may have held you back. You will discover in this course an understanding of the psychological impact of past experiences on current behaviors, identifying and deconstructing limiting beliefs that hinder personal growth, a number of techniques for effective unlearning and relearning to foster new habits, exploring the role of a mindset in overcoming past conditioning, and strategies for embracing and driving change in personal and professional life, managing emotional responses and developing resilience against setbacks, and much, much more that you'll find in the sales page. You can sell the subtle art of unlearning to business owners who want a slice of the $20 billion industry, self-help coaches who are hungry for new content for their own blog or website, anyone who wants to leverage this PLR to set foot in the lucrative niche instantly, and anyone who is interested in self-improvement and personal discovery, regardless of age, sex, profession, or ethnicity. Now, you may want to, or your clients may want to, overcome the limitations set by past experiences and ingrained habits, foster a mindset of growth and continuous improvement, achieve personal and professional success through profound behavioral change, develop resilience and adaptability in the face of life's challenges, communicate more effectively and build healthier relationships, and achieve realistic goals while celebrating small wins along the way. And you can learn to appreciate the journey of self-improvement as much as the outcomes. And finally, you can embrace a lifelong commitment to learning, unlearning, and relearning. A tremendous cycle that everyone needs to go through. Now, the art of unlearning will assist in you in developing a lucrative niche. It's a premium quality PLR package. You can save a lot of time let's say 150 hours from product creation and building high converting sales funnel from scratch. Use this PLR to do that. You can save money. You can you can reduce your headaches so that you're not having to recreate a product and the frustrations and shortcomings that you might receive along the way. And over and above that, this is an evergreen topic. So people are always seeking information to improve their well-being, and the topics that are discussed in this PLR. Each chapter includes stunning graphics, and the ebook that comes along with this, among other many other resources. It's up to 10,000 words. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end, you receive all the modules, 10 modules, a premium quality ebook, a complete checklist, a comprehensive mind map, high converting sales page and a thank you page, hypnotizing videos, sales letter, exclusive lead magnet, professional landing pages, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphics pack, and license certificates, plus 3 action bonuses. That front end goes from $13.95 to $19.95, depending on when you jump in. OTO 1 is for $47, and it provides high-quality videos, upgrade, high-converting upsell pages, professional video sales letter, professional slides to all videos, complete video transcripts, an MP3 audio file, and exclusive PLR to Pro upgrade, and many other bonuses. OTO 2 is for $97, and it's a collection of 4 best-selling PLR packages in one special offer, and all PLR packages come with full front-end product and Pro upgrades. OTO 3 is a done-for-you installation service, and depending on what you want, it varies from $77 to $147, and OTO 4 varies from $27 per month to $197, and it's the advanced print VIP membership, and that way if you move into the OTO 4, you get early access to our latest PLR products every month. And if you need to know more, you can click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And I can assure you that many people are earning through this particular package. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and then get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain recurring income, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And finally, use the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. Consider this product, and thank you for watching this review, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.